Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Are you struggling to find the power button on your Asus laptop? Asus has changed the button's location multiple times across various models. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about the Asus laptop on button, from its function to troubleshooting common issues. The Asus laptop on button is essential for powering up your device. It initiates the boot sequence by sending signals to the motherboard. This button is often integrated into the keyboard frame, making it less straightforward than traditional power buttons. As of 2026, Asus has numerous laptop designs, each with a different power button location. This variety can confuse users, especially because model changes have occurred between 2020 and 2024. For example, the recent redesigns moved the power button from the keyboard's top right corner to a fingerprint key above the delete key, causing significant confusion. First, let's talk about how to find the correct power button for your specific model. Open your laptop's bottom panel to locate the model number. Use this number to access the Asus support page for detailed manuals showing the button's exact location. Next, make sure your laptop is connected to a power source. A drained battery can lead to frustration because the power button may not register at all. Wait at least 90 seconds after plugging it in before trying to turn it on. Now, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. Holding it for less than a second won't register, and holding for too long can trigger a forced shutdown. A successful press should show a brief flash of the Asus logo. If your laptop powers on but the screen remains black, try entering the BIOS. Shut down the laptop, hold the power button for 5 seconds, then tap F2 repeatedly. Disable the fast boot option in the BIOS to fix the black screen issue. If those steps don't work, you might need to perform a hard reset. Unplug the charger and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Plug it back in and try turning it on again. This can clear out any problematic firmware states. To diagnose a hardware fault, consider using diagnostic tools. The My Asus app is built in and allows you to run hardware self-tests. For advanced users, a USB-C recovery drive can help you bypass typical booting issues. Common mistakes often occur, like pressing the wrong key or attempting to start the laptop with an uncharged battery. Many users press for too long, thinking they're doing a reboot, but that can cause a forced shutdown instead. Finally, remember that a non-responsive button often indicates firmware problems rather than hardware failure. Before jumping to repairs, follow the troubleshooting steps provided. In conclusion, finding and using the Asus laptop on button is straightforward once you know your model and year. Troubleshooting these common issues can typically be done at home without professional help. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, check your laptop's model number, locate your power button correctly, and remember the reset steps. You can solve most problems in just a few minutes. For further help, visit Asus's official support page for detailed insights and guides.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.